Number 1. The 1952 Chevrolet Skyline, priced at $28,500. According to the seller, this 1952 Chevy has undergone a full frame-up rebuild and has been garage-kept. It is powered by a rebuilt 354-bolt main engine and paired with a recently rebuilt transmission with just 3,992 miles since the rebuild. The car is described as being in strong running condition. Key features include air conditioning, power steering, and a dual exhaust system. The seller also notes that a brand new battery has been installed. Documentation, including mechanic books and receipts for the work done, is available. Located in Cincinnati, Ohio. Number 2. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $660,000. Light them up, light them up. He's going to light them up. Applause. Yeah, this 1957 Bel Air has been modified with performance upgrades, including a Big L's toy box blower motor. The setup features dual 900 Holley carburetors sitting atop an 871 blower, which is mounted on a 454 engine board 30 over, producing 621 horsepower at the flywheel. According to the seller, power is sent through a 700R4 TCI automatic transmission to a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.57 gears. The rear axles have been shortened by 2 inches on each side to accommodate 12-inch tires without requiring additional tubbing. Additional modifications include 4-wheel disc brakes, tubular A-arms, and rack and pinion power steering. The car also features custom front and rear bumpers and a vintage heat and air system. Inside, the Bel Air is equipped with a custom interior, including 1963 Chevrolet bucket seats and a center console, electric windows, and a tilt steering wheel. The seller mentions that they are the second owner of the car. Located in Lakeville, Massachusetts. Number 3. The 1929 Ford Roadster, priced at $9,500. This 1929 Roadster is powered by a 355 Chevy engine, paired with a 350 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end. The seller states that the car has 2,000 miles on it since the build and comes with a clean title. The car is available for sale or trade, with the seller open to offers for an older Camaro, classic Chevy truck, or a Harley-Davidson Springer. Located in Minster, Ohio. Number 4. The 1966 GMC pickup, priced at $22,500. This 1966 GMC pickup has been body swapped onto a late model GM 2500 chassis and is powered by a turbocharged LQ4 engine with 70-pound injectors. The drivetrain, including AC, power steering, and power brakes, comes from a 2003 GM truck. The seller notes that it has been recently tuned and runs well. While not currently looking to sell, the seller is interested in trades for a Chevy 3100, K10 Chevelle, first-gen Camaro, diesel swaps, toy haulers, or other unique vehicles. Cash can be added for the right trade. Located in Tucson, Arizona. Number 5. The 1953 Ford Ranch Wagon, priced at $22,500. No smoke at exhaust. This 1950 Woody features a 49 front end and sits on a full custom frame with modern suspension and power disc brakes. It's powered by a 406 engine with a B&M blower and dual Holley carburetors, producing 600 horsepower, paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission and 4.11 rear gears. The car is equipped with air conditioning, a full leather interior, an 8-way power seat, and an amplified sound system with a subwoofer and component speakers. A photo book documenting the build is included. Originally commissioned by a NASCAR driver and built by Mike Erickson, this Woody has a few maintenance needs reflected in the price. The front suspension bushings, lower control arms, and shock mounts need replacement. The AC is not currently functioning, and the transmission could benefit from servicing. Additionally, the tires are old but in good shape, and there are minor cosmetic imperfections, including a small dent on the lower roll pan and some paint chips. The vehicle is being sold as is following the owner's passing, with a signed California title ready for transfer, no trades. Located in San Clemente, California. Number 6. The 1957 Buick Century, priced at $27,000. This 1957 Century is powered by a 454 engine, paired with a 350 automatic transmission. It comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and heat. The car is described as running and driving well, attracting plenty of attention on the road. The exterior features a two-tone yellow and black paint job, while the interior is in very good condition. The seller has stated that they are not interested in trades. Located in West Point, Georgia. Number 7. The 1959 AMC Rambler Cross Country Wagon, priced at $244,500. This 1959 Rambler wagon was custom-built on a late-model Chevrolet S10 chassis and is powered by a 327 engine, paired to a 4-speed automatic transmission with a B&M shifter. This vehicle features an aluminum intake, dual-line Holley carburetors, an MSD billet distributor, custom heads, and exhaust with a patina finish. This wagon sits on 17x18-inch American Racing salt flat wheels and features a 4-corner adjustable air ride with 2 onboard compressors, 2 reservoir tanks, and dual gauges. There are also underdash gauges for fuel and oil pressure, water temperature, voltage, and an old-school sun tachometer. In addition to those features, this vehicle also has power steering, disc brakes, an aluminum radiator with electric fans, plus a water pump fan and an air horn. As the seller notes, it gets plenty of attention wherever it goes. Located in Danville, Virginia. Number 8. The 1934 Ford 5-window coupe, priced at $59,000. This 1934 Ford is an original steel-bodied car with a 3-inch chop, powered by a 1962 Cadillac 390 V8 engine. The engine setup includes 4 chrome 97 Strombergs from Vintage Speed, 9.5 to 14 pistons, a mild cam, and adjustable rocker arms by Ross Racing. It's paired with AT56 TKX 5-speed manual transmission and a Winters quick-change rear end with a wave trick differential. The car sits on 16-inch Firestone bias-ply tires mounted on 4-inch wide steel wheels. It retains a 40 Ford-style drum brake setup with an original dropped axle and wishbones up front, and a ladder bar rear with a buggy spring. The interior features Stewart Warner gauges, engine-turned dash inserts, and chrome window frames with a custom seat by Holy City Interiors. According to the seller, the car is well sorted, drives reliably, and cruises at highway speeds without issue. No trades. Located in Moncks Corner, South Carolina. Number 9. The 1940 Buick Supermodel 56S, priced at $43,000. This 1940 Buick Custom Restomod features a 350 GM ZZ4 crate engine with 355 horsepower and 409 lb-ft of torque. The engine is paired with a B&M 4L60E 4-speed overdrive transmission and includes various performance parts like custom headers, a forged crank, and a hydraulic roller cam. The car also has hydroelectric assist shocks, rack and pinion steering, and air ride airbag suspension. The exterior has a house of color black base with tangerine metallic flames and lavender pin striping. The body has been modified with a shaved, decked, and trimmed look, along with a custom-built power hood. The car's rear deck features a 40 Buick Ghost emblem as an additional touch. Inside, the car has a custom ultra-leather interior in a light sand tone. The cabin includes VDO gauges, a billet specialty steering wheel, and a tilt GM steering column. Other features include power windows, power doors, power trunk, and 6-way recliner power seats. There is also a vintage air conditioning system and a Panasonic stereo with a Rockford Fosgate subwoofer. The car sits on 20-inch Boyd Coddington wheels with Toyo tires. While it's an award-winning build and has been featured in various magazines, the owner emphasizes that it's not just a show car but a drivable hot rod. The car comes with service records, receipts, and build details. Located in Las Vegas, Nevada. Number 10. The 1932 Chevrolet 3-window coupe, priced at $79,999. This 1932 Chevrolet is a powerful street rod with a 565 engine producing over 1,000 horsepower. The body is a real steel Chevy body. The car is built on a chrome moly frame that's more suitable for the power it generates, and the body has been chopped to enhance its streamlined look. A professionally built cage follows the contours of the cabin, and the engine is carefully showcased enclosed behind protective bars. The engine itself is packed with top-tier performance parts, including a Crower crankshaft, Ross pistons, Ultradyne camshaft, Dart Big Chief aluminum heads, and dual Holley 1150 Dominators from BS. The ignition system is MSD with Digital 7 and includes a crank trigger and HVC coil. The compression ratio is 11.24 to 1, and the engine runs on pump gas. It's paired with a built TH400 transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end with a strange center section and 3.72 gears. The car also features disc brakes on all four corners, a solid axle front suspension with a 4-link setup, and a fully adjustable rear 4-link suspension with Koni coilovers. The body components, including the steering and shocks, are all chrome-plated. Inside, the car features a black interior with flamed accents, power windows, and a tilt steering column. A full suite of autometer gauges includes a GPS speedometer, G-meter, tachometer, and knock sensor. The car also includes a stereo system. Located in Scenery Hill, Pennsylvania. Number 11. The 1930 Ford Model A pickup, priced at $39,900. This 1930 Ford features a 383-stroker engine paired with an automatic transmission. As the seller notes, the body is all metal with a chopped cab and tubbed bed. The truck includes practical upgrades like a bed cover, electric fan, and power windows. It also has seat belts for safety, along with 4-wheel disc brakes. The seller is open to trades. Located in Alexandria, Louisiana. Number 12. The 1931 Ford Model A sedan delivery, priced at $55,000. According to the seller, this 1931 Ford features an all-steel body custom-built in 2013 and was appraised in 2019 for $71,200. It's powered by a 383 V8 high-performance stroker engine with a 671 supercharger. The car is paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission and features a narrowed 9-inch Ford PY-Track rear end with a 3.70 to 1 ratio. The exterior is finished in sleek black, while the interior boasts a bold red color. This vehicle has had 2 owners and comes with a clean title. Located in Kingsland, Texas. Number 13. The 1947 Buick Sedanette Custom, priced at $32,500. This 1947 Buick has been customized with a chopped top and sits on a 1982 Buick Riviera chassis with the original 4.1 LV6 engine and automatic transmission. According to the seller, the build features extensive documentation and a build sheet from well-known builders. The exterior is finished in a fresh red color, complementing the custom interior, which features a mix of gray and red. As the seller notes, with 4,300 miles driven, this car has been kept in good condition. Located in Maricopa, Arizona. Number 14. The 1931 Chevrolet 5-window coupe, priced at $35,000. This 1931 Chevrolet features a chopped top and is powered by a 350 engine paired with a 350 transmission. The car is equipped with front disc brakes, air conditioning, and an AM/FM cassette player. As the seller notes, It is not a trailer queen or a pristine show car, but rather a fun little hot rod ready to hit the road. The car comes with additional accessories, including trailer side covers and a visor. Clean title. Located in Hay, Kansas. Number 15. The 1971 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $26,000. This 1971 Chevy El Camino is a custom build that was previously used as a show car. As the seller notes, it features a blown 454 engine. The car has 16,500 miles on it and is described as being in good overall condition. It's important to mention that, while it's not presented as a pristine showpiece, it's still a solid car with a lot of potential. The car comes with a clean title. Located in Bakersfield, California.